Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today I'm going to be making a veggie soup, but not with beef, not just plain veggie, actually with moose. I have some moose meat left here. This is the last of it that my partner gave me from his hunt last year up in Canada. And so all the fresh vegetables that we have in, I'm throwing together a vegetable moose soup. So just show you how I throw it together. You can use whatever kind of veggies you like. I'm throwing in what I like, but I'll show you how I make it. Going into this, of course, is going to be my moose meat and my better than bouillon for part of my broth. I have for my seasonings some fennel, bay leaf, and clove, and my Montreal seasoning, some tomato sauce, some paprika, and Worcestershire sauce, and oil, a little water, and a little flour, and then I have some celery and corn and onion and potatoes and carrots and lima beans and peppers. The thing I'm going to do is I'm taking my moose here, my moose meat, and I'm going to add my seasonings, which is some Montreal and my fennel, bay leaf, and clove. And I'm going to coat it good in here. My moose meat I soaked overnight in milk because milk works as with the enzymes to get out any gaminess on the meat. It also helps to tenderize it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Also helps to tenderize it. And also on game meats, remove any of the excess membrane and fat, because a lot of times your musky flavor or gaminess will be in that. So trim that off. I'm going to add some oil to my Dutch. It's raining out today, so I'm just using my Dutch inside, and this is my Lodge 12. So, my pretty Lodge 12. I'm going to throw my my moose, looks like beef, but my moose meat in and brown it. Oh man, it smells good already. I'm going to get the sear on it. To the remaining oil, I'm going to toss in a little flour to coat. And mix well. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce. And I'll rinse my tomato sauce can out with some water, so we get all of that. And I'll probably add more water as I need to here. Give that a mix. I'm going to add a dash of this. And some paprika. And then I'm going to stir in some better than bouillon beef broth. This stuff is the best stuff ever. I love better than bouillon broth. paste, but I don't care. I'm going to stir in 2 big teaspoons of this. And we'll mix that in and get it dissolving. And I'm going to start adding in my other vegetables. I don't know how much more water to add in. Oh man, I love a really good vegetable soup, vegetable mousse soup. I don't know how you can beat that. This is going to be awesome. And it's a great way to make a game meat. And I'm going to simmer this for low and slow so it gets nice and tender. Oh man, I'm not going to have to add much more water. Maybe just another cup or so. Maybe I'm going to add 2 cups because that way it has room to simmer. Okay guys, now comes the hard part. Waiting. Done. A couple hours later. Yep, I simmered her down for a couple hours and she's done. You know what comes next, guys? And you know, as good as this is going to taste now, it'll taste even better tomorrow when all the flavors get a chance to sit overnight. Soups and stews and chili and all that always tastes better the next day. So I'm going to dish her up and give her a taste test. So here it is, ready to serve up. I threw a little cheddar cheese across the top, let that melt in a little minute, and then we're going to give her a taste. Soup's done. And it's hard to show this on the camera, but you can sort of see it. And I got a piece here with the moose meat. It's still pretty hot. This will be a lot better when it has a chance to sit overnight. Give me some melted cheese. Oh man, is that good? I need melted cheese. Really good. So that's my vegetable soup. That's actually my basic vegetable soup recipe that I just added the moose meat into. Obviously you can use hamburger or venison or whatever else you choose to use. Turkey burger, whatever. But that's just my basic comforting vegetable soup recipe with moose meat. I wanted to get that used up. He's going on another hunting trip for more moose here in another month or so, somewhere coming up here in the fall. And I'm hoping he brings home some more. And as typical, he will eat it. His wife won't touch it. None of their friends will touch it. None of the townie wives want to touch game. God forbid. So it's like, do you want it? Why, yes. Thank you. So looking forward. I hope he makes it and gets a good kill this year. So that's my vegetable moose soup. Hope you enjoy. If you like this vid, please like and subscribe and join me here next time in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.